Let me ask you something.
Okay,
Do you want to speak English fluently?
but you don't practice every day?
You feel busy
You feel shy.
and you don't know where to start?
If that sounds like you,
This lesson might change everything. Hey everyone, welcome back.
today we're going to talk about something simple:
But very powerful.
how to practice English every single day,
Even if you are busy,
even if you are shy.
even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people think,
I need to live in London or America to speak English well.
but that's not true.
You don't need a perfect situation.
You don't need hours every day.
You only need small, smart steps.
Let's start with one of the best techniques.
Shadowing.
Sounds interesting. What is it?
It's very simple.
You listen.
And repeat immediately.
I want to speak English fluently.
Now repeat.
I want to speak English fluently.
I listen to English every day.
Repeat.
I listen to English every day.
Shadowing helps me speak better.
At first, it feels strange.
You may not understand everything,
That's okay.
because shadowing is not about understanding. It's about training your brain and your mouth. Now, let's talk about daily habits.
First, listen to English every day
Why is listening so important?
because it trains your ears.
And helps you understand real English.
You can listen to podcasts
Music,
or YouTube videos.
even if you understand only a little.
It still helps.
Now, here's something powerful.
Think in English.
That sounds difficult.
Start small. I'm tired.
I need coffee.
It's hot today.
So, no translation?
Exactly.
Next tip.
Read out loud
Why not read silently?
because speaking is physical.
Like exercise.
Exactly. When you read out loud,
Your mouth improves.
your confidence grows.
Now, something very important.
Don't just study English.
Live with English.
Change your phone to English.
Write a short diary.
Watch short English videos.
Even small actions matter.
Very small actions.
Let's make it practical.
In the morning, say.
I'm tired. I need coffee.
In the afternoon.
I'm working. I'm busy.
At night.
I watched a video. I learned something new.
This is real English.
Simple, but powerful. Now, the most important rule.
Do a little every day.
Even 5 minutes.
Consistency is everything.
You don't need perfection.
You need progress.
Now, listen carefully.
If you only watch English,
You won't improve.
but if you practice every day,
Everything changes.
your challenge.
Do one thing today.
Listen,
Repeat.
speak.
And write in the comments.
What did you practice today?
Start small.
But start now.